My name is Manugran from Malaysia.
Okay. And you?
I'm Harun, also from Malaysia.
Both are from Malaysia. So great. Oh, okay. Is it first time for you to visit Pragati Resort or
This is the first time that I'm here.
for you?
Yeah, me also. Yeah.
So how did you feel it's been in Pragati Resort and no, how did you like the greenery over here?
Fantastic, I should say. We are very impressed by the greenery here, the layout. I mean, to see something so close to the city is something exceptional, I would say.
Okay. And how did you like the hospitality over here, the arrangements by the resort and the accommodation and everything? How did you feel it?
The only one word, superb. Superb, yeah. This is the first time I see it.
Simple and crispy.
Yeah.
Okay, no. See, here they have special themes. They have the Green Revolution. Where everybody doesn't have, and they have started creating, medicinal plants over here, and from them they're taking out the medicines and everything. So they are come up with some kind of revolution. It's called Green Revolution to reduce the global warming. So what do you say about it?
Yeah, I think you should promote this area to see other people should come and see how good idea, very good idea. I never seen in my life. This is the first time I seen the cover the area also very wide. So good to promote, not to India, but to other out of India.
Are you planning to go?
Not yet. No, not yet.
I'll suggest both of you to go to Sparsh and let me know your experience. How is it? And very great to talk to you. And have a great time over here. And really pleasure to talk to you.
My
Thank you
name
so
is
much.
Azizullah Ludin. I'm from Afghanistan. I was the chief commissioner, election commissioner in Afghanistan for 2 years. And now we have the other chief commissioner. Yes.
So is it first time to come to India?
No, I was many times to India because I have some heart problem, and I visited Delhi many times. And I am a patient of Escorts Hospital. Yeah, Escorts Heart Institute Hospital in Delhi.
So is it first time for you to visit Hyderabad and Pragati Resort?
Yeah, I this first time I visited this resort, not Hyderabad. Until now, we didn't have time to go to the city and make a tour in the city, and that is a very nice resort. And I wonder that there's too much work had done here, and as I heard that is about 2,500 acre, and all with very good trees from over all of India, and we have very good host here, and I am very glad I met here a very high-ranking personality from different parts of the world, especially election commissioners and former election commissioners, and we enjoyed it.
So coming to our resort, we have come up. It's been with a plan of green revolution. You can see most of the greenery over here. You can see the maximum plants over here, and some of them are medicinal plants which can heal many diseases, even mental and physical diseases.
Told today by Mr. Rao, we have about 60 or more than different plants that is used for as medicine, for the medication for the people they need that also. That is a very nice activity. But
nowadays, not only in India, wherever you see across the globe, global warming is growing, right? So nobody is aware of growing the plants, and finally, our generation and next generations are going to suffer because of the global warming and the ozone depletion and everything. So for that, we have taken an initiation of growing the plants and making the earth like a green earth. So how do you convey this to the rest of the world?
I think that is we have to take care of the future people they come in the world, and when we destroyed all the green area in the world, and we goes very wrong with use of water in this area, on pollution and so, Of course, that will be affect the future generation, and that is I think now it's activities overall in the world on some of the organization, especially this media and NGOs, and they are fighting for that to make something better and to take care of future problem regarding to this pollution and so on.
And how did you feel the hospitality over here and the services?
Wonderful.
You didn't finish. Let me finish the question itself. You're so happy about it.
Yes, I'm happy about that. At first I have the opportunity to know a lot of commissioners from election commission, and we will have in next 2 days some discussion about our problem in our countries, election problem in our countries, and we will see each other and to learn from experience what they did in their countries, and I will tell about my experience in my country, and that is a lot of exchange of idea, and we will try to learn from each other.
Make the trip again when you come here to the Pragati.
Now I have the opportunity, yes, why not? That is
Definitely, whenever you come to Hyderabad, please visit us and let us give you the best services.